Well, enthusiast of La Bestionis, here's number 8, and we've got it started and we got going. And remember this nice clean shop that we had? Well, it's not so clean anymore. We've been working like little beavers. Let me show you some of the things that we have been doing and what we've been stacking away like little squirrels over the years. And guess what? They're all coming to where we're going to be able to use them. These are the headlights that we're going to be using, and these are the stanchions, all the bits and pieces. That'll all be 100% restored. You can see what we've done partially on the engine and on the shifters and the steering and everything. Everything's coming along well with the rest of the bits and pieces. I just want to show you some of the things that we have here that's going to be going on the car. They all have to be finished. This might be the end of it. We're going to figure out how we can incorporate that. Take a look here. I'm sorry about the mess, but I'm not sorry about the mess, because if you don't have a mess, you aren't doing things. And we're working our ass off. And believe me, it's a mess. And we're happy for it. This has been one wonderful day. We found a great polisher. And so I don't have to do it anymore because I'm a lousy polisher and I keep dropping things and catching them and they blow up on me. These are the floorboards. They've all been custom fitted and everything else. The only modern thing on it really is probably the alternator here. We're working on getting a full set of new wheels. I don't know what it's going to cost. I guess probably a lot more than most of the fire trucks that we buy, but that's the way that goes. Just to show you what the hell we're doing, we're at the 2-minute mark. I just want to show you this is what I like. I'm the king of bling bling. That's my deal. But these are the hubcaps that we're going to be using and some of the instrumentation. Switches, all these switches right here came out of Mumbai in India from a Maharaja's palace. And I just want to show you what we're able to do with all the bits and the pieces. It's absolutely wonderful. We're having an absolute ball. And you can see these are the hubcaps. Everything is fitted. These are the little horn pieces. I mean, it's going to be fantastic. Now we're excited about it. And that's the way it is on this, the 13th. The Saturday, April the 13th. And thanks for joining us. And if you have any comments, please make them. I'll try to answer any questions that you may have. And have a fine weekend.